yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kevin. And today we are doing pork rind and cheddar crackers. So we're just using these bagged pork rinds, cheddar cheese, and 2 eggs. Garlic powder and some onion powder. You can use whatever seasonings you want. We have chosen to do a mix of onion and garlic. Calls for 1 teaspoon, so we're doing a half a teaspoon of onion and half a teaspoon of garlic. Going to mix garlic and onion into the pork rinds. All right, and we are going to add cheddar cheese. And we're just going to mix it. It's going to form like a sticky dough. I'm going to add in a little bit more onion and garlic powder. Next thing I'm going to do is put some parchment paper down. I'm going to put the dough onto there and we're going to roll it out, and then we're going to cut it into like cracker sizes. So I'll be right back. Okay, I got a little bit of a ball formed. I'm just gonna press it down. I may have to add in another egg. It's not as moist as I want it to be. gray eggs are a little bit better. So you just have to judge. I guess it just depends on how big your eggs are. Okay. Now it doesn't really say how thick. Okay. Everybody can hear the peanut gallery in there. And I'm just going to keep it right on this sheet and put it onto the baking sheet. Just like that. We're going to throw it in the oven for, I saw it here somewhere, 12 to 15 minutes. Once we're done, we'll take them out and we will taste test.
They're nice and crispy.
You taste the cheese.
I like them.
They need more seasoning for me.
Yeah.
I find them too bland, but yeah.
But we can experiment with different seasonings.
Yeah, I think I needed to add more. That just wasn't enough.
Yeah.
And I actually added 2
And I
teaspoons of each.
I would roll them out a little thinner
Yes.
because they'll get.
Yeah.
That one's nice and crispy. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, just some of them are a little too thick, but that one's nice. Oh, I like those.
Yeah. I don't really like pork rinds anyways, but
You might like it better if we had some spinach dip or something.
yeah.
I like them. Okay.
There they go. She likes them. I don't really care. 'Cause, I mean, I don't like pork rinds to begin with, so it just needs more flavor or something. So, okay, that's it. We're done. Until next time.
Yesterday